7 messages within 20 minutes for this. This is making money. Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make thousands with AI. The most simplest way. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen these videos popping up of people making thousands with AI. Now, there's many ways to do it, but in today's video, I'm going to show you the most simple and easy way to get started to make you guys first few $1,000s with AI. So let's jump straight into this. Alright everyone, now that we're on the computer, we're going to be using Chatgpt and Fiverr. So we're going to go over to Fiverr, and if you guys haven't already, make sure you set up your account and set it in seller mode. Once you guys have set that up, then we can go up to my business and click on gigs and come over here and click create a new gig. Now you're probably wondering, what are we going to fill in here? Now there's many things that we can do. Now the one that's really hot at the moment is turning people's images into caricatures. I'll show you guys how to do this. It's very easy, very simple. Like I said, all we're going to need is ChatGPT and obviously our client's image. Now we do the Fiverr gig to get more work. You guys can start on Fiverr or any other freelancing apps. There's plenty out there. Now you guys can build a business model around this, but I'm just going to show you guys how to make a quick few $1,000s with this with little effort. I'll show you guys this, what we'll fill out here in this, just for you guys beginning. I will create any image into a caricature cartoon. Something like that. Simples. Okay. Now it's going to be under graphic design. Put under cartoons and comics. Select the type of cartoons you provide. Cartoon. We'll put a caricature cartoon. Alright, now we won't offer a package for this. The name of this will be any image to caricature. Okay, describe the details of simple. Delivery time, 1 day. We can do 2 revisions. We'll give them 2 photos. High resolution, of course. We can do background, scene, color, all of that. Price, we'll do solid $50 to start out. Now we can always upscale our price later on once we get more sales. Now this is just for the beginners who haven't really got reputation on their freelancer accounts yet. So start small and work your way up, and trust me, you'll be making thousands. Alrighty, continuing on. Extra fast delivery, won't worry about that. Additional revision, 1 day to $5. $5 for additional figures. Okay, let's continue. Now it's going to ask us to describe the gig. Now we'll just come over to ChatGPT and get it to write something for us. Image, something like that, I don't know. See what it gives us. Turn them image, here we go. Gig, yep. Looking to add fun, creative twist to your photo. You'll know place, beautiful. That's all we want. Bam, copy straight into here, paste. Alrighty, beautiful. Moving on. So we'll just ask what style / font do you want. Get money, save and continue. Alright, now this is what I was talking about with, it's going to ask us to show some of our work. Now we can just go ahead and grab any images of Facebook, any images of yourself. For instance, we'll open up a new one quickly. Upload. Let's upload this one, and we'll say turn this image into a caricature cartoon with, I don't know, unicorn theme. try to remove as much of the background as possible. Now, the more you feed Chatgpt, the more it's going to give you back. But this is what we've got from this image. Not bad, honestly. It's got the hat, it's got the sunglasses, the moustache, fingers pointing, and it's got done the unicorn theme like I've asked. Now, not bad. We're gonna save this and put it in as one of the works. Chuck that straight in, and we'll go do 2 more. Alrighty, I'm gonna see this one as primary. Alright. Wait for that one to load. Alright, now that you guys got all these up, we can go and continue and hit publish gig. Alrighty, now we can see that our gig is up for sale. Now we can go ahead and do this on heaps of different freelancing apps, like I said earlier, and just start watching the orders roll in. Alright, I thought I'd just show everyone this quickly. Now I'm currently editing the video. Not even 30 seconds into editing as of right now, and this is our phone on Fiverr. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 messages within 20 minutes for this. Now this is selling, this is making money. If you guys are not doing this, then I don't know why. Make sure you guys get onto this quick. But yeah, anyways, back to the video. This is making people money, this is easy work, so make sure you guys get around this, get your first few $1,000. Now, if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.